Cats are often praised for their affectionate nature, but unlike dogs, who are more overt in their expressions of love and loyalty, cats have a reputation for being more independent and mysterious. For cat owners, this enigmatic behavior can sometimes feel puzzling, especially when a cat suddenly acts as if it doesn't recognize them. A cat might act aloof or even distant, seemingly indifferent to its human companion, when just moments earlier it was affectionate and playful. This behavior can be perplexing, but understanding the reasons behind it can provide insight into the feline mind. At the heart of a cat's seemingly indifferent behavior lies its highly individualized nature. Unlike dogs, which are pack animals by instinct and rely on strong social bonds with their human families, cats are solitary hunters. They are independent creatures by nature, and while they can form close attachments to their owners, they are not always as demonstrative about it. A cat's behavior can change from moment to moment based on a variety of factors, from its internal state to external stimuli. Understanding these factors can help explain why a cat might act like it doesn't know its owner at times. One of the primary reasons why cats sometimes act as though they don't recognize their owners is related to their sensory system, particularly their sense of smell. Cats have an exceptional sense of smell, which they use to navigate their world. They rely heavily on scent to identify other animals and humans, and they are capable of detecting even the faintest change in their environment. If a cat suddenly behaves as though it doesn't recognize its owner, it could be because something has changed in the owner's scent. This could happen if the person has recently changed their clothes, used a different detergent, or applied a strong perfume. Any shift in the scent profile can confuse a cat, leading it to react as though it doesn't know the person. Cats are also very sensitive to changes in their environment. A sudden change in their routine, a new person in the home, or even rearranged furniture can lead to a cat feeling disoriented or unsure of its surroundings. In these situations, a cat might temporarily appear indifferent or distant, acting as though it doesn't recognize its familiar surroundings or even its owner. For cats, stability and predictability are essential. They often seek comfort in familiar routines, and when those routines are disrupted, they may withdraw or act aloof. Another factor contributing to a cat's seemingly distant behavior is its natural instincts and temperament. Cats are often described as being moody or temperamental, and it's true that their behavior can change based on their mood, energy levels, or health. Cats are highly sensitive creatures, and they can sometimes act detached if they are feeling overstimulated, stressed, or unwell. For instance, a cat that has been pet for too long or is feeling physically uncomfortable may retreat or behave as though it doesn't recognize its owner, when in fact it simply needs space. Similarly, a cat that is feeling anxious or threatened by something in its environment may distance itself from its owner, even if there's no real danger present. Cats are also known for their ability to be both social and solitary, and they often toggle between these two modes of behavior. A cat may seek out attention and affection at one moment, only to suddenly retreat and appear distant the next. This behavior is often linked to their hunting instincts. In the wild, cats need to balance their social interactions with periods of solitude, where they can rest and recharge. Domestic cats retain this trait, and they may withdraw when they feel the need for personal space. Even a cat that is very close to its owner may need time alone to rest or recharge its energy. When this happens, it may seem as though the cat no longer recognizes the person, but in reality, it is simply following its natural rhythms of solitude and social interaction. Health issues can also play a significant role in a cat's behavior. If a cat is in pain or not feeling well, it may behave in ways that are out of character. For example, a normally affectionate cat might seem distant, refusing to come near its owner or acting as if it doesn't recognize them. Cats, being masters of hiding pain, may not show obvious signs of illness or injury, but a subtle change in behavior can indicate that something is wrong. If a cat suddenly acts aloof or withdrawn, it may be experiencing discomfort, and this could manifest as a lack of recognition or interest in its owner. In such cases, it is important to observe the cat's behavior closely and, if necessary, seek veterinary advice. In some instances, a cat may act as though it doesn't recognize its owner due to a psychological reaction, such as stress or anxiety. Cats are creatures of habit, and any disruption to their environment, such as a change in routine, new pets, or new people, can cause them to feel unsettled. In such cases, a cat might retreat into itself, avoiding interaction and acting distant, even towards the people it is closest to. This behavior is often a coping mechanism as the cat tries to deal with feelings of uncertainty or fear. Over time, as the cat adjusts to the new circumstances, its behavior may return to normal. Another aspect to consider is that cats, unlike dogs, do not always rely on visual recognition to identify people. Cats primarily use their sense of smell and their ability to recognize specific vocal tones and patterns. This means that if a cat is in a room with its owner, but the person is not making any noise or offering any sense that the cat recognizes, it might seem as if the cat does not know who the person is. If a person enters the room without making any sound or without being close enough for the cat to pick up on their scent, the cat might appear indifferent or act as though it doesn't recognize them. Cats are often more attuned to the subtle cues that their owners give off, including voice tone, body language, and scent. Lastly, it is important to remember that cats are simply unique individuals, and their behavior can vary widely. Some cats are more independent and aloof by nature, while others are more affectionate and social. A cat's personality will influence how it interacts with its owner, and sometimes, what might seem like an act of not recognizing someone could be simply a manifestation of the cat's temperament. There are a variety of reasons why cats may occasionally act as though they don't recognize their owners. Whether it's a change in scent, a shift in routine, stress, health issues, or simply their innate need for space, the reasons behind this behavior are often multifaceted. It's important for cat owners to understand that a sudden change in behavior doesn't necessarily mean their cat is being distant or indifferent. Instead, it may simply be a reflection of the cat's complex sensory, emotional, and psychological world. By paying attention to the cat's environment and overall well-being, owners can better interpret their cat's behavior and ensure that their feline companion feels safe, comfortable, and secure.